Hi students and friends and viewers, welcome to this channel Satish Keys.
Today we are going to learn new named organic reaction, that is Grubbs olefin metathesis reaction. First of all, see the statement of this reaction. Two different olefins in the presence of Grubbs catalysts to form a mixture of two olefins by scission and regeneration of double bonds. This reaction is known as a Grubbs olefin metathesis reaction. Once again, see the statement of this reaction. Two different olefins in the presence of Grubbs catalysts to form mixture of olefins by scission and regeneration of double bonds. This reaction is known as a Grubbs olefin metathesis reaction. Let us see the equation. First of all, I will take two different olefins. So this is one type of olefin reacts with another olefin, CH2 double bond CHR2. Here we take two different olefins. So reacting in the presence of LnRuCH2. Here the simple form of Grubbs catalyst. So already we discussed the Grubbs first generation and second generation catalyst. I write a simple form of this catalyst like this. Breaking of olefin double bonds finally regenerated into a new olefin mixtures. So one of the olefin is this, another olefin is a ethylene. So two CH2 fragments to form ethylene molecule. Both olefins are new olefins. This is the olefin metathesis reaction. See the mechanism of this reaction. Step 1 is a cycloaddition reaction between olefin and Grubbs catalyst. In both these compounds having 2 pi electrons, it is a 2 pi system. It is also 2 pi system. Both 2 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction takes place between olefin and Grubbs catalyst. I will show you the 2 plus 2 cycloaddition like this. To form a cyclic product, one sigma bond between CH2 and CH2, another sigma bond between CH and Ru gives cyclic product. This is called cycloruthenobutane compound. This cycloruthenobutane compound involved in a step 2. It is a reverse 2 plus 2 cycloaddition. In this case, two sigma bonds involving in this reverse 2 plus 2 cycloaddition to generate a two new pi systems. I will show you the breaking of sigma bonds into pi bonds. Here two sigma bonds breaking results a new pi bonds formation like this. One is new alkylidene complex, another one is ethylene. Here generated new alkylidene involving in step 3 with second olefin. Again 2 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction takes place between these two pi systems. So I write the second olefin structure RHR2 double bond CH2. Both are 2 pi systems. The 2 pi cycloaddition like this to form a cyclic product. A new C bond C formation between carbon and ruthenium and another carbon and
carbon. So this is called a cyclic compound, cycloruthenio-butane compound. So again this cyclic compound involved in step 4. So again reverse 2+2 cycle addition reaction takes place. Here two sigma bonds involving in the ring opening reaction like this to form a 2 pi systems. Here the product formation takes place. Here the olefin, one of the product form. Another Grubbs catalyst is removed. This Grubbs catalyst involving in the catalytic cycle mechanism follows like this. Here the products of the reaction is one olefin here, another one is ethylene. So this is the Grubbs olefin metathesis reaction. Initially two different olefins in the presence of Grubbs catalyst to form different olefins. So first step is 2+2 cycle addition reaction between Grubbs catalyst and olefin to form cyclic product. This cyclic product step 2 reverse 2+2 cycle addition, a new alkylidene and ethylene molecule. So this alkylidene involving in step 3 with another olefin, again 2+2 cycle addition to form cyclic product. Again this cyclic product reverse 2+2 cycle addition to form a product with Grubbs catalyst. This Grubbs catalyst involving in the catalytic cycle mechanism. So these are the steps involved in the olefin metathesis reaction. So thank you dear students, you understand each and every point of this mechanism. See you in next reaction with a new reaction. Thank you.